Hello and welcome you all in the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can use KeePassXC, that is a password manager, to safely secure your password at one place so that you don't need to remember all of them in your mind. Alright, and it's very much a requirement in today's world because nowadays we keep logging and creating accounts on all the social and other platforms and websites, and we can we have different passwords for each and every website because repeating passwords is not recommended at all. If you are really security conscious, that you should be, because nowadays a lot of breaches are happening, you should have separate passwords for each and every account. You can create strong passwords using a diceware, whose tutorial I have already described in my previous videos. So this video is dedicated for KeePassXC and to tell you how you can use that. So KeePassXC on Linux, I'm using Ubuntu 20.04, and you can download or install it, KeePassXC, using sudo apt install KeePassXC, and it will be installed once you give your password to that. I already have it installed, so no need to install it again. Once you are done with the installation of KeePassXC, now I would like to show you the working of it. First of all, let's go to the website of KeePassXC. Here you can see the working in screenshots. Here we have that. When first time you will logged in your KeePassXC, it will ask you for create a new database or open an existing database. If you already have a KeePassXC database, then you can open that, or if you don't have, then you can create a new one using this option. After going into it, you will be able to create new entries of your passwords, and you can group those entries into different folders, such as banking folder, in which you can create your entries of username and passwords for all the websites related to banking. And similarly, you can group different username and password in different folders as per your requirement and as per your convenience. While you will be creating a new entry, you will be asked for the title of the entry and a username and your password and the URL. And also you can add icons to your specific entry if you want, and there are a couple of lot of features available. And if you want to read about KeePassXC more, then I will give you the link of the detailed description of this website. Suppose you started using KeePassXC and there would be a lot of different entries. Now how you are going to use it, I would like to show you. Suppose I'm here logged out of my Pixabay account and I need to log in, but to log in I want to use KeePassXC. So one thing is that I will open my KeePassXC database and see my username and password and then write it down here, but that would be a really lengthy task. To shorten this thing, KeePassXC provide a very awesome absolute feature. The name of the feature is auto type. You will need to go in the settings of KeePassXC, and in this auto type setting, you can give any of your custom global auto type shortcut. I'm using control plus single quote, and I would like to show you how this works. Now suppose you are here on the Pixabay account and now you want to enter your username and password. Using your global auto type shortcut, you can type, like mine is control plus single quote, and here the KeePassXC has already found the entry for this account, and on clicking it, see the username and the passwords are auto-filled now and I'm logged in. So you don't need to type and do other things like you don't need to open your KeePassXC database again and again, because auto type feature is really awesome for that. Similarly, there are a lot of features available, and if you need, I will provide the detailed description. I will provide the link of KeePassXC website in the description of this video, using which you can read more about KeePassXC. But it's really important for all of us to use a password manager, not just KeePassXC. You can use any password manager of your choice, because without using them, I don't know how people manage their passwords. And never ever repeat your passwords, and use diceware for generating new and secure passwords. I have already described how to generate your secure password using diceware in my previous videos. Alright, that's all for now. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.